Hey friends, if you encounter this error, Word cannot save the file due to a file permission error, then please watch this video. So click on File, select Save, click on Browse, select some new location, and this time just omit all entities like numbers or any special character like a bracket or something from the entire what do we say, entire name. Although hyphens and something are allowed, but to be on the safer side, just include the alphabet here. Okay, so the name is word cannot complete save due to a file permission error. Just remove everything else and click on save. Okay, now the reason that it wasn't able to save that this earlier is because the name has some restrictions, and those restrictions are what you call file permissions, and they were not working, and now it has saved on the desktop, as you can see. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.